Our top story tonight, all new at 6, homeowners faced with a tough decision after severe flooding make it uninhabitable. And now through all the debris still left to pick up after Helene and Milton, for sale signs are popping up all across the Bay Area. Owners are selling them as is, wanting cash offers with no contingencies. And some are facing a short sale if they're underwater on their mortgages.
10 Tampa Bay's Chris Hurst is live in St. Petersburg tonight. And Chris, this isn't just an issue for St. Pete or Pinellas.
No, it's from Sarasota to Pasco. These homes all being sold as is, and sometimes for prices far less than what owners paid for it.
Okay, so this home had a little bit of water in it. It was above the plugs, probably 2.5 feet.
Peter Nemeth is the listing agent for this 3-bed, 2-bath home that flooded during Helene. It's being sold as is.
I think they need to get a mold remediation person in here and to see what's behind the drywall. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. So this could be potentially a huge saving for someone that buys a house that doesn't have to do that.
The seller is buying other property and needs to sell now. But Nemeth says if you're thinking of selling a flood-damaged home, it's best to wait.
It would almost be better if they held off a little bit so they don't have an emotional attachment or an emotional decision on listing their house right now. Sit back, let's see what the market does.
Somebody's turning around and selling now. From a financial standpoint, it's going to be it'll wind up being a low. It'll be a low point.
Realtor Phil Rizzo says clients who didn't flood are also waiting to list because neighborhoods aren't show ready right now.
A, it's fresh in everybody's mind, and B, people just driving through the neighborhood and seeing the damage that's there. I mean, that's just a fresh reminder of what everybody is going through.
Those with mortgage payments or forced by FEMA to raise or rebuild may not be able to afford to wait, even if it means selling for 6 figures less than it was bought.
Those folks are going to be caught in a tough spot to where the mortgage that they have on it is going to be higher than what their land value is going to be.
Now, for who's buying these flooded homes, realtors tell me it's mostly investors and wholesalers speculating that they can make a quick profit, thinking that people still, even after these hurricanes, will pay for a slice of paradise. Live in St. Petersburg, Chris Hurst, 10 Tampa Bay.